Welcome to Educational Leadership 7310 Online, Accountability and Measurement for Current Issues in Education. This doctoral level course is designed for the study of educational problem solving and accountability and their relationship to needs assessment techniques, evaluation methodologies, and decision-making processes. There are two textbooks for this course. Examining What We Do to Improve Our Schools, 8 Steps from Analysis to Action by Sandra Harris, Stacy Edmondson, and Julie Combs, and Districts on the Move, Leading a Coherent System of Continuous Improvement by Jay Westover. These are the 9 outcomes related to this course, Educational Leadership 7310. This course has 4 major assignments and 5 discussion board requirements. The Multi-Metric Evaluation Accountability Metrics chart will be due in Module 2. Students will research district and campus accountability requirements and create a multi-metric evaluation accountability chart. In this assignment, students will select 6 measures for their district leadership team to analyze and provide a list of the data to disaggregate for each measure. You can see on this slide, measures 1 and 2 have been started for you. You do not have to use the second measure as listed on the example. However, academic learning is a required measure. All other measures, students will select from the research and determine for themselves what their district feels is important. This project is worth 150 points. Students will have 5 discussion board assignments, each worth a total of 50 points. The initial post in response to the prompt must be 300 to 400 words in length. In addition to the initial response, students must reply to 2 other classmates' threads. Each reply must be 150 to 200 words in length and add substantial meaning to the originator's thread. Every thread, initial thread and reply threads, must have at least 1 in-text citation from current peer-reviewed journals and/or professional literature published within the last 5 years, and a full reference must be listed at the end of the thread. The next few slides will provide information about the school improvement research and narrated PowerPoint presentation. The school improvement PowerPoint presentation is due in Module 4. For this project, students will select a school that has shown significant improvement and research the school's data and improvement plan. The student is free to select any school that has shown growth in one or multiple metrics. The student will create a narrated PowerPoint presentation that effectively summarizes the school's growth and the strategies that were implemented in order to achieve that growth. The student should ensure that the PowerPoint includes the school's leadership team members, role or position, not names, who were involved in data analysis, goal setting, formulating the plans, and implementing the plans and strategies. In addition, students should include how the school monitored and assessed their action plan along the way. The student's PowerPoint should be less than 15 minutes in length with a minimum of 10 slides. This project is worth 150 points. Again, students are free to choose any school that has shown significant improvement. NASSP breakthrough schools are good examples of schools a student will be able to find enough research on to complete this assignment. However, the student does not need to select from this list. Several example breakthrough schools are listed, and a link to the NASSP breakthrough schools is provided on this slide. In addition, listed are numerous sources available for one of the breakthrough schools, Brockton High School. These sources are listed only to show the student examples of the type of information that can be found for NASSP breakthrough schools. Please note, students may not use Brockton High School for their project. Students may also want to explore schools that have been featured at previous Model Schools conferences and schools that have been recognized in the U.S. News and World Report Best High Schools rankings. The field experience assignment, research, interviews, and reflection paper is due in Module 6. Students will explore one public school district. The student will read over the district's mission, the state of the district, and the district's improvement plan. Then the student will determine who serves on the superintendent's leadership team and research each person's role in district accountability. The student will then interview one member from each of the following categories, asking the same accountability questions: district leadership team, school board member, principal, teacher, parent, community member. Each person must be asked 5 questions regarding accountability. The student will write a reflective paper, 3 to 5 pages in length, discussing what was discovered through the research and interviews. This project is worth 200 points. In Module 7, you will complete a draft of your Institutional Review Board, IRB, application. As a doctoral student, you are required to submit an application to the IRB before you begin your dissertation research study. This assignment is a draft of your application, and you must save it in your chalk and wire portfolio. This assignment is worth 25 points. Please note, you will not submit your official application to the IRB until your dissertation chair has approved it and deemed that it is an appropriate time. The professional research paper is due in Module 8. Students will research their own dissertation topic in order to determine how their topic is related to school district accountability. The student will research and write a paper about the significance of their topic and how a district might benefit from their research study. This paper should clearly explain how the student's research study might impact school district accountability. This paper must utilize a minimum of 5 references from current peer-reviewed journals and/or professional literature published within the past 5 years. The paper should be submitted in current APA format and should be 8 to 10 pages. This paper is worth 225 points.